yeah, look at that. Look at that, you see that? You see that? It's running with it. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, it's probably something stupid like a dang shovel nose guitar fish or something. But yeah, we got something good on here. We got something big.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just a pain when you felt it all.
Hey, good morning YouTube, how you doing? Hopefully you can hear me. I once again forgot my external mic, but I'm trying to talk loud. I'm here at the beach today. I got both my sons today. There's Dhylon, he's usually my sidekick, and my other son Blaise. Sorry for shaking. My other son Blaise back there. Alright guys, so here's my setup for today, and most days actually. I got my Ugly Stick GX2 9-foot, and I got my Abu Garcia Silver Max 40 reel on there. Going with the Carolina rig right now because it seems like the fish are a little closer to shore and the surf is pretty small today, so I'm going with the Carolina rig, and then just a high-low double Berkley Gulp Worm. I got a red one on the bottom and a good old camo on the top, so I'm gonna try to get out there and find a school of these things. And I got my two sons' poles set up the same way. Yeah! Right, just reel it in slowly, don't kill it. Little barred surf perch. Woohoo! Dhylon got the first fish of the day. Let me reel mine in so I can help you. So he bit on the camo, not the red. So if we catch another fish on camo, I'm just going to switch all our reds out for camos. That's usually the way it goes. There he is. You want to take a picture of him?
No, yeah.
Actually, just hold him like this. Don't let him go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. There he goes. That's even smaller than the first one. Good job. Here, hold it like this. So, no, just hold it by the string. Now I can take a picture. That's off the red gulp.
My second perch. I'm just casting it like not even close.
Yeah, they're really close. All my bites are like right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, finally. Wow. Bye-bye. Oh, I belly hooked it. It always feels bigger when you belly hook it. Yeah, I kind of have to now. Poor thing. Sorry, little guy. No, I'm not even gonna keep it. I think he'll survive. I think he'll live. Let's put a camo on. I think the camo, I think they like the camo better than the red ones. Yeah. Here, come over here. We gotta get you on a fish. Woo! It looks like a little bigger than the other ones. Oh, look. They bit half my red one off. Maybe they do like the red ones.
This is 3 perch in a row.
That's a little better. This is a walleye.
Anything fit in mine?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. They're pretty durable because I dried them out.
I got a good fish.
Here, Di.
What?
Lip them.
Let them?
Yeah, you're gonna go put them in the cooler too, right? I guess we could all walk over there. I probably need a new battery for my GoPro anyways.
Yeah. Can't believe I caught
Here.
3 perch already. Let them?
Yeah. Stick your thumb way in there, or your thumb way in there, hold it tight. If he shakes, don't let it go.
Okay. And he did get cut. This is a decent walleye.
I'm videotaping.
Oh.
Hold on, I don't know if it started yet. Okay, here we go. Alright, Dhylon is on his 3rd fish of the day.
Yeah, this is amazing.
So he's caught 2 little barred surf perch, and then
one
this is a walleye. You can tell by 1, the huge eye, and then 2, they have these little black tips on their fins.
Yeah.
You see that. So nice little walleye. Alright, you guys can't see it, but underneath that ridge there's a little, some kind of a little rockfish or something. Alright guys, so I just made a wannabe poke pole, if you will. I just have my GX2, tied a little like 6-inch length of leader on there with a hook and some shrimp, and I'm gonna try to stick it in this crevice here and see if that fish will come out and bite it. In there. You see him moving around. Yeah! Did you see him? Came out and took a bite. Didn't hook him though. Darn. Come on, buddy. I don't know if he's gonna go for it now. Oh, God. I don't know if I need a bigger hook on here. The tide's coming back, finally. Seems like the bite's getting a little better since the tide's been coming back, so we'll see what happens. All right, there we go, fish on. Woohoo, fish on, finally. Let's see what it is. I hope it's fish on. Yeah, still feels like it's there. Still feels like it's there. What is it? What is it? It is a walleye? I don't know. Nice. Barred surf perch. Decent sized one, finally. So far today, this is the biggest. And that didn't hit the sand crab, hit the Berkley sandworm. So there you go. My hand's fairly big, so you can see this is a decent, I'd say it's at least a half a pound, maybe 3/4 pounds. I think I got a fish on. Feels like it. Something's shaking the head. Yep. It's like a little guy. And he bit the red one. So another little barred surf perch. It's not the smallest one I've ever caught. Definitely not the biggest. this one hit the red sandworm. So it's kind of even today. I got a red one and a camo on there, and so far it's been pretty even. All right, let's see if we can catch another one of those. It's pretty far out. I mean, there's waves breaking back there and there's waves breaking here, so I'm assuming there's a sandbar back there, and then right before that is a nice little pool. So I'm casting as far as I can, pretty much to that first set of waves, and then I'm walking back, getting my feet out of the water because it's getting cold, and then just slowly retrieving through that pool. Oh yeah, look at that! Look at that, you see that? You see that? It's running with it. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, it's probably something stupid like a dang shovel nose guitar fish or something. But yeah, we got something good on here. We got something big. That thing took off. It's still running over there. Oh yeah. What is it? I'm walking with it, so it's still taking off. It's going north. Oh yeah. Something big there. Try to get this thing tired. I don't want it to break my 12-pound leader. It's not. This thing feels really big. It's still going this way. Oh, it's taking out drag. What is this thing? What is it? He ain't happy. He's going. He's taking drag. Come on, buddy. Get tired. Oh, man. This is hilarious. I only got 2 Berkley sandworms on there, so I don't know, man. I hope it's not like some damn shovel nose guitar fish or something, or a bat ray. That would suck. It's just a hassle. Although this is pretty fun, whatever it is. I like the mystery. Yeah, to get him tired, man. He's going. Look at him. He's still going that way. He's gonna walk me all the way up the beach. All right, come on. Oh, this is crazy. Come on, buddy. Where are you? Look, he's just going. He's going that way. All right, come on with the wave. Oh no, man, he's pissed. He's pissed. He's pissed. All right, he's taking drag. Look at him, man. He's just going. He's going. What the hell is it? I hope my GoPro battery doesn't die. Man, look at him. He's going. He's going. He's taking the drag. Oh no. Oh, it broke off. Oh, that was my 12-pound leader. Damn, what if that was a halibut or something? What a shame. Oh, I'm so bugged. What a bummer. I had my drag loose too. He was taking it. Oh, man. Oh, I'm so bummed. So bummed. Yep, just broke that leader. Oh, of all times, I decided to switch from like 25-pound leader to 12-pound leader. Just my luck, and I catch some big old fish, whatever that was. Oh man, I'm pissed. Well, that's why they call it fishing and not catching, right? I guess that's, well, although I did catch it, I just didn't bring it in. But that thing was jerking the shit out of my rod, excuse my language. Woo!